Alright guys, it's Smoking Bears. How you doing? Welcome to the Bear Cave. Today we're out back. We're firing up the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. We're going to do us a little breakfast. A little something outside the box? Yes. But I think you'll enjoy it. Cheers. Alright guys, so here's the Lodge Sportsman's Grill, and we're going to make a slight modification to this. We are going to take off the top cook rack, set it down. I'm going to remove the coal grate. You guys see that? Remove that. And in its place, I'm going to put this 1/3 aluminum pan. Fits perfect in there. No need to do anything to it. Now, what I'm going to do is put my coals in there. That way, I've got less to clean up. As you can see, that fits just fine. Alright, so we're getting pretty heated up. Let's just go ahead and give her a quick spray. And if you get a little bit on the edge, look, it's alright. Grate needs loving too. Now, we're going to take our Vienna sausages. What? Yep. Right there we go. Drop them down on there. Just like that. I'm going to take the old hickory. We're just going to cut them. All right, well you can see we're not getting a real high heat. I think I'm too far away. But you see we're turning. We're getting some color, so that's a good thing. Oh, those are tasting mighty good. Let's move them all over to one side. Now, an egg. Oh, that looks good. Let's push our luck and try two. Let's take a little bit of salt and pepper. Looks like our eggs are ready to flip. Flip our sausages, which are getting some really good color on them now. Salt and pepper on the back side here, and a little bit on everything else. All right, well, those are looking good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and plate them up. I got a biscuit here. The bear cub made some biscuits. Put an egg down. Let's get a few of the sausages. Lay it right on top there. Well, I messed up the cut, but there it is. Got a little runny yolk. All right, so I messed up the cut, but it's got a little runny yolk. It's a little, here it is. Let's give it a try. Never knew Viennas could taste so good. Man. That's Smoking Bears. That's all I got today. Happy Wednesday. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did it taste good? And did you have fun? Rock on. Peace.